Introducing Japan Aviation Electronics Industries June 2020 product release. J has launched a robust stacking type board-to-board connector, the WP26DK series, with power supply terminals. It is an extremely compact connector with 0.35 mm terminal pitch, 1.9 mm width, and 0.6 mm matted height. With the spread of new technologies such as 5G, mounting density of parts is increasing inside of small mobile devices such as smartphones, wearable devices, and tablet PCs. There are also trends for improving on existing features, including increasing battery size and adding more sensors such as cameras. For this reason, it is a prerequisite that connectors used inside these devices are smaller, but they must also support higher current and improved mechanical strength. To cater to these needs, J has launched the WP26DK series board-to-board FPC connector. This product has greatly improved strength and reliability by equipping hold-downs with protective metal fittings on the vulnerable internal surfaces of the insulator as well as the top mating surfaces. The additional protection is critical for preventing damage to the connector if they are initially misaligned during the mating process. Furthermore, there is a reduction in the total number of terminals required by using the two hold-downs as power supply terminals that can handle up to 3 ampere each. This allows for miniaturization of devices by saving board mounting space, and contributes to the design flexibility for engineers. Moreover, it has good contact reliability against drop impacts and vibration with a proven 2-point contact structure, and a clear click feeling to acknowledge complete mating. Please visit the J website for more information on these products.